interview, I have removed my mask. Because all of them are wearing masks and we are following all the COVID protocols. We have kept a sanitizer at the door itself. When they enter, they first sanitize themselves, sanitize their hands, and then they are two per table. We have put them two per table. Now today they have learned the very basic thing, how to set up a cover, travel cloth and a la carte cover, and they have learned water service and soap service. So our demo is over and now all of them are practicing. You can see.
It feels great when my students are back, and I feel very enthusiastic to teach them and to conduct their practicals. So it is very important they come and they learn what they have missed so due to the pandemic, and very eager to learn and to teach them. Thank you very much.
A teacher's life is incomplete without students, and after 1.5 years of online training, I'm very happy that my kitchen is again full with our chefs, aspiring chefs and students. Today we are making a continental menu, which is a 3-course menu, and we have also shown some demonstrations of socks and sauces. In the menu we have cream of tomato soup, which is a first course. The second main course is Irish stew with 2 accompaniments, that is mashed potatoes and glazed carrots, and we have the dessert, which is a diplomat.
It feels really good. My students are back in action. Many students are missing practicals from last 1.5 years. So practicals are very much important. So right now we are back in action, feeling very nice. Even I am in action, very bored with the online lectures. So hope everything continues for a long time. Thank you.
Okay, today's menu, what we have prepared is bread rolls and bread loaf. Bread loaf is basically a demo what we have given. So that is how packet bread is basically been made in a simple manner in a loaf tin. And then we have bread rolls. Okay, a basic bread recipe for the students just to understand how it is basically being made. Okay, so we have just told each student the ingredients and how the procedure is. And students coming back is actually a joy for us, because 1.5 years was actually a tiring period sitting in front of a screen talking to the students through that. So after seeing all the students making them do all these practicals, shouting at them, was actually a joy. Thank you very much.
I'm Raj Kushlani, student of Rizvi College. I am pursuing the degree Hospitality Management. So I am very blessed and very grateful that the college has reopened after 18 months, and I am very happy that I will gain some more knowledge, some more practical knowledge from the college. And I am very happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishan Ingle. I am from SYBSCP batch and I am pursuing my degree in Rizvi College. So it is a very positive decision taken by Rizvi, following the precautions and safety protocols for the students, and we are very excited for this because we will gain more practical knowledge. Thank you.
My name is Ritika Jaiswal. I am from Mumbai and I am pursuing Hotel Management from Rizvi College.
My name is Anushri Guria. I am from Mumbai and I am pursuing my hotel management from Rizvi College. Moreover, I am really delighted to attend my college and practicals in person, and I am really glad to see everyone after so long, and it's really a happy experience to be here again. Thank you.
My name is Dhanashri Sawant and I am from Mumbai.
I am pursuing my second year degree from Rizvi College. Thank you. I am really very much excited to rejoin my college and to meet my faculty and gain information from them about my department. In my opinion, it's like college is following all the rules and regulations, and it's really safe to be here and be a part of this institute.
My name is Shreya Turaskar. I am from Mumbai. I am pursuing hotel management at Rizvi College. I am very happy to be here after a very long time to meet my friends that I have been seeing them online. I am looking forward for a very exciting journey and to learn many more new things.